In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create board rule automations in Trello. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and make your team's operations more efficient, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. It's a straightforward start, but it's essential as you need to be logged into Trello to access your boards and their settings. Now, once you're on Trello's homepage, your next move is to access your boards. You'll find the Boards button typically located on the upper navigation panel. Go ahead and click on that. This button will lead you to a list of all the boards you have created or have been invited to collaborate on. From your list of boards, select the specific board you want to work on. Simply click on the board's name to get started. Once your chosen board is open, your next step is to locate the automation menu, which is represented by a lightning bolt icon. This icon is usually positioned near the top of your board alongside other board actions. Clicking this icon will reveal options related to board automation. Now, you'll want to focus on the option labeled Rules and give it a click. This takes you to the area where you can manage or create automation rules. Speaking of which, you'll see a button that says Create Automation. Clicking this button is your gateway to setting up new automation rules. Within this interface, you're going to find an option to Add Trigger. Go ahead and click this option. Triggers are the conditions or events that will set your rule into motion. You'll be presented with a list of available triggers. Take a moment to consider what kind of event will best prompt your automation, and once you've decided, select the appropriate trigger from the list. After picking your trigger, you just need to click on Add to confirm your choice. But hang in there, we're not quite done yet. No automation rule is complete without a corresponding action. So now we move on to selecting the action that will be linked to your trigger. Browse through the list of actions available and select the one that suits your process the best. When you've made your choice, click Add once more, confirming your action. Now comes an important part. Saving your automation rule. Look for a Save button and give it a click to ensure all your configured settings are preserved. Once the rule is saved, you can click on Close to exit out of the automation setup. To see your new rule in action, add a card to your board by clicking Add a Card. Type in any information you'd like to include, and presto, your automation is up and running. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now set up a board rule automation in Trello, making your workflow more efficient and hands-free. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.